Hey there, Pokemon trainers! Are you looking to level up fast in Pokemon TCG Pocket? Well, today, I've got an incredible hack to get you unlimited Pokegold tickets. And the best part? It's super easy and totally free. Here's what you need to do. Open up your browser and head over to tapcheats.lol/ptcg. Once you're there, enter your TCG Pocket username and decide how much gold and how many tickets you want to add to your account. After you've filled in the details, just hit that hack button and let the magic begin. The system will work its magic, but to make sure it's really you, you'll need to complete a quick human verification. Simply follow the instructions on screen, and in just a few minutes, those golden tickets will be on their way to your account. It's that easy. Enjoy the game with all the resources you need to dominate. Don't wait. Check out tapcheats.lol/ptcg and get ready to take your game to the next level. Good luck, trainers, and happy gaming!